reception. It's time for our story. My favourite part of the day, by far. I love a good story. And today, I've got one of my favourite stories ever. And I say that all the time, but Miss Empson has a lot of favourite stories. Are you ready to see it? Now, it is all about a worm, but it's not super worm. It's William Worm. Can you say that? William Worm, and give him a wave. Hi, William Worm. Look, can you see him? He comes to life as well. He can wriggle and jiggle like us, reception. Oh, this is going to be a very good story then, isn't it? William Worm agrees. Okay, so the title of our story today, William Worm. Okay then, reception. So this story has got two authors, two people who wrote the story. Their names are Sheila Bird and Corinne Bittler. Fantastic. And we've got the back of our book with a blurb that tells us a little bit about the story, doesn't it? And then we've got our spine that holds all of our pages together, just like our spine that holds our bones together. I'm going to read you the blurb, the little bit that tells us about the story, so we can know what to expect in our story. Are you ready? One day, William Worm popped up from the ground. He looked right. He looked left. He looked all around. But everyone William meets wants to gobble him up. Oh, help William wriggle away in this wacky pop-up book with a surprise ending. Let's get to it then, reception. Let's say tip, tap, chin. Story time in. Wow. Oh! William Worm popped up from the ground. Pop. He looked right. He looked left. He looked all around. Can you do that, reception? Look right. Look left. Look all around. Fantastic. What did he see coming out of the hole? What's this? That's right. It's a brown and furry and a hungry mole. William, wiggle away! Quick, reception, wiggle away! We don't want the mole to eat us. Wriggle, 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 keep going. Woo! Thank you, reception, that was so good. William Worm popped up from the ground. Pop! Can you make that noise? Pop! He looked right. Look right. He looked left. Look left. He looked all around. What did he see that gave him a fright? What's this? That's right. It's a spiky hedgehog. You don't think the hedgehog wants to eat William, do you? Oh, yeah. A hungry hedgehog out in the night. What do we need to do? William, wiggle away. Wiggle, reception, wiggle away. Keep wiggling. Whew. Whoa, who have we seen this time? William Worm popped up from the ground. Can you say it? Pop! He looked right. Look right. He looked left. Look left. He looked, can you do it, reception? All around. What did he see on a nearby log? What is it? A frog, that's right. Can you make the noise of a frog? Ribbit, ribbit. Oh, but it wasn't just any frog, reception. It was a big, show me big, fat, green and hungry frog. What do we need to do, reception? William, wriggle away. Wriggle, reception, we wiggle away. Keep wiggling. Oh, keep wriggling away. Oh. Whew. All of this wriggling's tiring, isn't it, reception? Oh. What have we found this time? Is it an animal? Is it an insect? Let's find out. William Worm popped up from the ground. Pop! He looked right. Look right, reception. He looked left. Look left, reception. He looked all around. Well done. And what did he see coming? Fast. Can you do fast? Not slower. What's this? That's right. It's a lawnmower. It's a shiny, whirring electric mower. Can you make that noise? What do we need to do, reception? William, wiggle away. Wriggle, wriggle, wriggle. Keep wriggling. Wriggle, wriggle. Oh, William, it's tiring being you with all of this wriggling. Oh. What have we seen this time? What wants to eat William now? Oh, yeah, that's right. It's a bird. Oh, okay then. William, let's see if it wants to eat him first of all. William Worm popped out from the ground. Pop! Can you pop out? Well done. He looked right. He looked left. He looked all around. What did he see high up in the tree? The black and white wings of a cheeky magpie. This bird is called a magpie. Miss Empson sees these all around, black and white. Normally when I'm driving my car or walking around, I see a magpie. So next time you're out and about, have a little look. You could even look out of your window now, see if you can see any magpies. Sometimes they'd come to our playground as well when we were at school, and sometimes we see them out of our window and we go, oh, there's a bird. Okay then, but this one, it wants to eat William. What do we need to say? William wriggled away. This time, William wriggled away. Wriggle, 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 wriggle. Wriggle, 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 wriggle. Oh. Where's William? William Worm. This doesn't want to eat him, does it? William Worm popped out from the ground. Pop! He looked right. He looked left. He looked all around. What did he see? Sniffing this way and that. Can you sniff? Oh no. The scary face of a big rat. Oh, not just a rat, a fat rat. William wriggled away. Quick, 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 wriggle, 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 wriggle. What's he seen this time? Oh. William Worm popped out of the ground. Pop! He looked right. He looked left. He looked all around. Well done, reception. You've got so good at this story. What did he see not far away? What's this? It's another worm coming out to play. Do you think William's excited? I do. Wow, hooray! Or was it Wow. Do you think it was William's tail? I can't believe all of those things. That all of those things eat worms. Miss Empson never knew that. What did we have? We had a hedgehog, a magpie, a big fat rat. Can you remember any more? Oh, amazing. Well done. All of these things want to eat William Worm and all the other worms. Got to do a lot of wriggling if you want to be a worm, haven't you, reception? Perfect. I hope you enjoyed today's story, and we'll see you tomorrow. Tip, tap, snout, story time. Out. Bye.